learning about the shape cone. The main objective of this video will be to cover the topic surface area of cone and volume of the cone. We will also see how to derive surface area and volume. So let us start. Cone. We have seen all these shapes so many times. All these are examples of cone. What is a cone? Cone is a solid that has a circular base and a single vertex. If the vertex is over the center of the base, it is called a right cone. Examples of cone are ice cream cone, birthday caps, funnels, and etc.
Now we'll be talking about the surface area of a cone. So first let us know what is surface area. Surface area is the measure of the total area that the surface of the object occupies. We have learned about a cone that a cone is formed by bringing together the two radii of a sector so that they coincide with each other. Lateral surface area of the cone is the area of the lateral or side surface only. And the formula for the total surface area of a cone is pi r multiplied by r plus L.
Now we will find the derivation of the surface area of the cone. If a perpendicular cut is made from a point on the circumference of the base to the vertex and the cone is opened out, then the radius of a sector formed L. Since the circumference of the cone is 2 pi r, therefore the arc length AB of the sector of circle is also 2 pi r. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to area of sector OAB is equal to arc length of sector upon circumference of circle multiplied by area of circle, which is equal to 2 pi r upon 2 pi l multiplied by pi l square is equal to pi r l. So, curved surface area of the cone is calculated using the formula pi r l, where pi is the constant whose approximate value is 3.14 and L is equal to slant height of the cone and R is equal to radius of the base of the cone. Now formula for the slant height of the cone is, if R is the radius of the base of the cone, H is the height of the cone and L is the length of the slope of the cone, using Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to R square plus H square, that is, L is equal to root R square plus H square. Total surface area of the cone is equal to curved surface area plus base area of the cone. Base area of the cone is pi r square. So, total surface area will be pi r square plus pi r l is equal to pi r multiplied by in bracket r plus l.
So now we will tell you about volume of a cone. The volume of a cone defines the space or the capacity of the cone. Therefore, the volume of a cone formula given is as the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square cubic units, where r is the base radius of the cone, L is the slant height of a cone, and H is the height of a cone. Also, the formula for the volume of a regular cone or right circular cone and the oblique cone is the same.
Derivation of the cone. So I will explain it through an activity. Take a cylindrical container and a conical flask of the same height and base radius. Add water to the conical flask such that it is filled to the brim. Start adding this water to the cylindrical container you took. You will now notice it doesn't fill up the container fully. Try repeating this experiment for once more. You will still observe some vacant space in the container. Repeat the experiment once again. You will fill and notice this time the cylindrical container is completely filled. Thus, the volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 of the volume of cylinder having the same base radius and height. Now, let us derive its formula. Suppose a cone has a circle base with radius r and its height h. The volume of this cone will be equal to one third of product of the area of base and its height. Therefore, V is equal to 1 upon 3 into area of circular base into height of the cone. Since we know by the formula of area of the circle, the base of the cone has an area equal to B is equal to pi r squared. Hence, substituting this value, we get V is equal to one third into pi r square into h, where V is the volume, r is the radius, and h is the height.
This was all from my side. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.